Hi everybody. Today we have the Macy's box for January. When I received the email from Macy's about this box, it said that this box is all about the hair care. So let's see what's in here. The first thing that I see is from Sutra Beauty, and it's a mini flat iron. I don't really have any use for this because I received another mini flat iron from a Boxy Luxe box a while back, and I've never even used that one, so more than likely I won't really use this one either. But it's cute. It's purple, just like the other one I got. It's also purple. I may give this to one of my nieces or see if my daughter wants it for this wig that she likes to play around with. Okay, so I'll put this away. And now on to the rest of the box. The pink paper. We have a velvet scrunchie. Kind of a coral rose color. There it is. It feels soft. And we have from Southern Belle, Volume Boosting Root Lifter. It says use on damp hair. Okay. And from Creme, we have dry shampoo with oat milk, extra gentle. I received one of these in a New Beauty test tube, the full size. I haven't used it yet, so I may eventually try it out. And we got a shampoo and conditioner from Uoma. It says rainforest grown for healthy, lustrous hair. And it says certified organic ingredients. So we have the shampoo and the conditioner, which is also a leave-in styling cream. Okay, so that's nice. I will definitely try these. And then from Verb, we have Ghost Oil. This is a nice size deluxe sample. Let's see how you use it. Smoothing Moringa Blend, Weightless Hair Oil. You can apply it to damp hair before a blowout or to dry hair to smooth and add shine. Okay, so I'll try a drop of it. Take the seal off if I can. I got it open enough to try a little bit. There it is. It feels a tiny bit thicker than most products like this. Maybe not. There's still some on my hands, so apparently a little goes a long way. Okay. And the final product is from Michael Kors. It says gorgeous. And inside it says, hello gorgeous. It says a daily reminder to celebrate yourself. White floral bouquet, tobacco leaf, sensual cedar wood. Sounds interesting. Try it on the paper. Ooh. That's nice. I think I'll put some on. Okay. That's a really nice fragrance. And then, of course, we get the $5 off coupon and it's good from December 25th through February 26th.